Black road? So you
No.
weren't prostituting yourself?
No.
Oh,
I don't
really?
know where you get that story from.
You sure?
You look a mother, girl. To tell me if it's 7 minutes, we can't say something.
No, I'm gonna just basically just argue with what me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell them, oh, you see struggle and you forgot other country and work and something. The light a blink and everything, right, Jafar? Right?
Hmm?
The light a blink and everything, right?
No, it's just the recording sign on it.
It's a record, right?
It's just a red recording sign,
Yeah.
yeah.
So remember, just agree with everything you said, cause it's like I think it's like a $20,000 US scholarship, so that would be able to pay for my tuition for my CPA, and I'll probably even have extra funds. So guys, basically, why am I talking like I'm talking to my subscribers? I always do that. Anyways, crap. Okay. So I am supposed to be doing a scholarship video to say why I deserve the $20,000 scholarship, and it's mainly about the person who inspired me the most, and it is my mom. Her name is Sonia. We came from Jamaica in 2012, and she's been working hard ever since. As a matter of fact, she's been working hard from basically the day I was born. Like, she's always been working. She's traveling, working, cooking, working. Like, wherever the job is, she's there. I remember a time when she left and she went to Cayman Island. She was working there. And also, I think when I was younger, around what, like
6, 7.
around 6 or 7, no, it was before that. It's just a story I've always been told. Like, when I was at elementary school, what you guys call elementary school in Jamaica, we call it.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, I was at elementary school and she was always in Kingston. Like, I didn't know what kind of work she was doing. So I believe at that time, people always say she used to work at Back Road.
Stop it. Get some help.
And
You know, by tobacco farm, that's where I started out from.
tobacco, oh,
Yeah,
they always say you
see.
used to sell your body and stuff. And I was like, my mom?
Right.
Yeah, so you weren't doing that?
No, I don't even know about that.
Back Road? So you
No.
weren't prostituting yourself?
No.
Oh,
I don't
really?
know where you get that story from.
You sure?
No.
Well, you have to just go along with the storyline, okay? So basically, she used to sell her body so that
Read that.
redo it.
Yeah, that's not cool. If I say I look.
But we have to make it believable, because everybody's gonna come with their sorry story. You want to make sure that they believe our story,
Yeah,
and they
you
see
can't
that
say
you
that.
were struggling.
I can talk what I was struggling with and how I get along. And then you come up with it and say, oh, I did here. And I can talk where I struggle from after having you. Or I struggle along. You
But I
understand?
feel like, Jafar, don't you think that story will go better? Like,
No,
we're
you
more
can't say
likely
that.
win the scholarship and get the $20,000?
No, you can't say that.
Between you two.
Because it's gonna go on broadcast. Everybody gonna say, oh, she wasn't on
No,
this.
it's not everybody. It's just a few people that's gonna be reviewing for the scholarship to see who was the best video, and whose story
No,
is
you-
worse, and how they come up and stuff.
Yes, but you don't have to put that. Jeffrey, you're not recording right now.
No.
Yes, you don't have to put that. I can say I struggled a lot. Growing up, having my first child, you know, I struggled a lot. And then after 10 years after, I get Florence, otherwise named Marla. And it was still tough for me. I struggled along the way. I remember I used to go to the tobacco farm where the sun had rainfall, lightning and thunder.
Yeah, but a lot of people have that story. Just go along with the story and
No,
say, oh, you
I
used to
know.
go to back road and you.
No, I don't want that.
Why not? It's not that big of a deal. Not nobody else is gonna see it. It's just right now. It's just me, Jafar, and you, and then whoever is reviewing the scholarship application, they're gonna see, and that's it. So let's just go along with the storyline.
No, because it's not gonna go like everybody go and watch it on YouTube.
No, nobody's gonna watch it on YouTube. It's just the few people that's reviewing for the scholarship application.
Jeff, I wait.
It's between
I don't want that part of it.
Why not?
No, I don't want that part of it. I just struggled and I recall what I struggle all about, you know, and you know, whatever the situation may be, you know. Struggle here, selling a market, rain fall, water wet me up, me have to walk and sell food. I mean, there was some that struggle for help the same way.
Yeah,
so
guys.
Have to.
And so even wait, all right, me take out the part there. We put another part. So let me tell them this story then. So okay, we have to use this one instead since you don't want to use that. So another thing is, when I was growing up, like, I was always told that, oh, you look nothing like your mom, you look nothing like your dad. And so they always just say I'm adopted, or I was from back row, like, as a result. You know, like when she was doing what she was doing. Oh, wait. So, yeah, when she was doing, when she was.
I'm home.
Wait, no. We're almost done with the video.
Soon get her.
Yeah, so when she used to be at back road, they always say, oh, I'm a result of back road, and that's why I don't know who my real dad is, but she's still my real mom. And it was just a lot of struggle growing up, and I'm so grateful because we came a long way. She came here to America, and we've been able to achieve so much together as a family, and for that I'm so proud and I'm so grateful. And with this scholarship, it would help me so much, and to just continue on with my education and to even be able to give back to people.
Help you.
Will help me.
Help you. Yes. I think you need to.
I don't want. Mommy, I'd say you used to prostitute yourself, but you want more stuff.
You want it? I mean, you said.
Yeah, she's so chill. I think so she don't lick off me head.
She just, I don't know, moment.
I told her that I don't want that in the video. I don't know that.
So would you even let Marla put that in a video?
As I said, people
Like, what would you let her lie?
No, no, let you put that in there.
You sure?
No, I would not. I told her to cut it out. If I was growing up and doing that, I would say, yes, there are some people taught them story like that and it's real.
So you never used to do that?
No, none at all.
You sure?
No. Growing up with me, I was such a decent girl going to school, as I said.
Stop disrespecting my mom.
Guys, it was a prank. Mommy, it was a prank.
Yeah, it ain't no video.
Got him! Got him!
No video for no scholarship.
You look a mother, girl. Oh, it's crazy. You must do that. You what you want, girl. Don't put that up there, please. Please don't. Don't put it up there and stop the laughing. Don't mess around. That's crazy. You messing up your mommy life. Stop the laughing, Mala. It's not good enough. You're not doing no crap. I thought it was something better than that. No, it's not fun. You think it's fun, you damn long head?
Oh, my belly hurt me.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, she really thought it. But everybody else when me see their mother always lit them on. I said, no, she just stay calm. Like, I was like,
yeah, because I thought it was recording for something live. So I said, don't do that. You can't put that up like that, Mala. I wasn't that person. Nobody take my video because me now put up that. I could talk what happened, you know, and going up what things was like, what life was.
yes, mommy, it was a prank. Nobody not gonna believe say that prostitute just.
Yeah, but don't do that.
Okay, guys. So basically, yeah, you already know. That's the end of the video. I got her. She was chill. I thought she was gonna smack me or something, but she didn't do nothing. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, you